Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 3 English Get Smart Plus 3 workbook on page 76. We are on module 10. So this is the world around us. Sing a song. Activity 1, look and write. So basically this is, we are on this comparative adjectives. So you need to identify or put suffix behind the adjectives. So number 1, we have tall. So the answer, we have this taller. And then big, so we have this hippo and versus elephant. So elephant is bigger than the hippo, so we have this one big, big, and then another ger. So in case you need to know more, so for example this one, so the big will change to bigger. So for single syllable adjectives like this one, ending consonant, vowel, consonant, the final letter is double and er is added. So B is consonant, I is vowel, and G is consonant. So you need to double the final letter and then put er behind it. So I hope you understand this. So this is bigger. And then if you are curious about the consonant and vowel sound, you may refer to the dictionary like this one. So we have a lot of vowel sounds as well as consonant sounds. So you need to read dictionary if you wish to. So we have number 3, strong. So obviously this guy is stronger than this one. So we have strong. We write down the base adjective and then we put er behind. So we have stronger. And then number 4, fast. So fast, and then we put er behind. And then number 5, teen. So because this is CVC, meaning consonant, this is a consonant, and then we have vowel, I, and then another consonant. So it meets the criteria, CVC. So we need to double the final letter. So another N, and then we put ER, as in question number 2 here. So thinner. And then we have number 6, also CVC. H is consonant. And then we have O, vowel. And then T is another consonant. So CVC. And then we need to double the final letter. And then we'll put ER. So there you go. We have these completed 5 corrections here. And then next we move on to activity 2. Look and write. So number 1, given example. We have mouse here, or rat. The rat is smaller than the cat. So take note that this is THAN and not THEN, as in see you then. So this is then. Make sure you write correctly, and because usually pupils will write THEN rather than THAN. So take note on this, and then remember to put full stop also. So this is number 1. So we have number 2. So the bear is fatter. Double T. So CVC. And then we double the T and then ER. And then the dog. And then put a full stop there. And then number 3. So we have adjective short. Greg's hair is shorter. So er, and then we have than, Anna's, apostrophe s, and then hair. Because girl usually will have longer hair. So number 4, tigers. So auxiliary verb, you need to put are rather than is. So tigers. So although this is just a title, so as here, so we need to use are. So strong, you change to stronger, and then put than again, and then lions. And then we have number 5, tall, giraffes, auxiliary verb are, and then tall, we have er as suffix, then zebras. And then the final one, we have cheetahs are faster. So I erase this one again. So faster, then so this animal is called horse, so we have horses. So that's it for this page. We are on page 76 on this Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here, and then right below this video there's a link, you can click it, you can join it.